Magadan and Maga, we're here at
Greenhills,
and I've met one of my YouTube heroes, so we're going to vlog together today. This is Short King. He's an established helipod.
Oh, permit? What about the phone? This one?
So what I was saying earlier, just before security came and stopped us, was we're vlogging with Short King today. And before I moved to the Philippines, I used to just sit on YouTube and watch so much content, and he was one of the YouTubers that I was watching all the time. He's Irish, I'm Scottish, so naturally we're good friends. But yeah, if you please go check out his channel, I'll leave a little link of his name somewhere or in the description, and go give him a sub as well. He's an excellent YouTuber and his content's awesome, so give him a follow, or subscribe I should say. Just left Greenhills because security was all over him with his big fancy camera. Yeah, it's all his fault, not my fault.
It's probably my fault.
So we're just going to go get some food.
Some bread.
Yeah, they do kind of like nice wee flatty bread stuff. Yeah, let's grab some of these guys there.
Do you want a flatbread as well?
I'm going to get one of these sausage and pesto breads.
Can I get one sausage pesto bread and the garlic flatbread?
Vanilla po? Yeah, regular po. Opo, walang coffee po. Okay, so we just found we're in a coffee bean, we just ordered some food and drink, and I want to properly introduce Short King here. As I said earlier, established YouTuber, I love his videos, love watching your content. Just back from Siargao, how was that?
I was there for a month, amazing. I got a tan, finally I got a tan because usually I'm very white. Look at the difference between my shoulders and my arms. So yeah, it was great, Siargao was crazy. You definitely have to check out Siargao. For sure, Boracay, you've been to Boracay, you just came back.
Yeah.
The only place I haven't been in the Philippines in 4 years is Palawan and El Nido.
Palawan.
You've been there, yeah?
4 years, yeah, I was in Palawan before. But so you've been in the Philippines for 4 years now?
4 years, yeah.
So you must enjoy it.
Oh yeah, 4 years I haven't left. I actually haven't left. I only left to Malaysia for a week just to fix some papers, but I haven't gone back to Ireland since 4 years.
Really? You've not been back to Ireland in 4 years?
No. I'm planning to come back when I turn 30, but only for like 2 weeks. I don't want to get depressed with the weather and then come back to the Philippines.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. Yeah. So that's incredible, 4 years. And where are you living now?
I'm in Makati now.
You're in Makati.
Yeah, I lived everywhere. I lived in Makati. So when I moved in here, I was in Taguig, just beside Taguig.
Okay, yeah.
Then I moved to Mandaluyong, then Pasig, then McKinley, then BGC, and now I'm in Makati. So it's
fantastic.
Good. I want to live in Makati. It's nice. It's more chilled. Normal people. BGC sometimes you get some weird people. Very like, what do you call this?
I am that person.
Snobbish.
Oh yeah.
Snobbish. No, depends. Not all the time.
It's
he's the minority. Yeah.
I'm already converted. I can't believe in a coffee bean, not Starbucks.
Yeah. So Makati, man. Let's see how it goes. Yeah.
No, well, thanks for showing me about today. Appreciate it. Nice to meet you properly finally. So
sure, man,
yeah.
Sure.
As I said earlier, give his channel a follow. I'll leave like a link in the description or something. And yeah, enjoy his content.
Cheers, man.
Nice uniform.
Yeah. I used to be a waiter. I got fired.
We're back in the market. He's just going to use his phone because the camera's attracting way too much attention. So he's actually doing a 15-kilometer run this afternoon. I'm going home to sit on my sofa and watch television. So that's why he's buying shorts and I'm not. So mission accomplished. Short King got some shorts. I got a belt. I've only got one belt since I moved to the Philippines and it's looking way worse for wear. So yeah, I got a new belt and she even resized it for me, which is awesome. We're going to go have a look at the watches now. So This place is great. It's got lots of affordable items, and I love the watches here actually. I'm going to have to come back another day and buy a watch. And I'm going to get Short King to buy a watch as well.
You know, the sad thing is that when he vlogs, you can just see my head.
Oh, it's quite a bit of a height difference between us, but yeah, he's also significantly younger, and I know which one I would rather have in that department. So yeah, but this place is good fun. So it's nice to know maybe on my birthday I'll come back and celebrate with buying myself a watch. Who knows? That area upstairs was basically like inner child / young adult heaven. It was full of all the anime stuff and video game stuff. There's stuff from Overwatch, from Yu-Gi-Oh, just brands that I absolutely loved back in the day and still do to some extent. So that's good. We're in a grab and just heading back to his condo to check it out. He just moved in just over a week ago.
We can have something like that, yeah.
Have a little bit. Nice one, looking forward to seeing that. Greenhills was good though, good fun. Nice to know you can buy Rolexes and stuff for...
Yeah, real Rolexes.
Real Rolexes for like 5,000 pesos, so yeah, looking forward to that. Looking forward to that on my birthday. Okay, that's us just left Short King's place, and he's done very well finding that building. It's a bit of a gem actually. The facilities are awesome, nice pool, nice gym, but I'm just going to take a wee wander about this end of town because I've not been here before, so see what's happening. Google Maps tells me we're just round the corner from a restaurant I've actually been wanting to try and have a look at. It's a very Instagram famous restaurant here in Manila, so I'm going to go check it out. This is a nightlife hotspot here in Manila, and this looks like the restaurant just here, so let's go have a look. This is such a cool little restaurant / cafe, but in the evenings you cannot get a table here at all. It's very difficult. It's actually much bigger up here than I thought it was. It's pretty big and it's got a full-size car and everything. That's such a cool wee cafe, and it's actually massive inside once you go upstairs as well, but yeah, food was pretty good. It was like American style portions where there's way too much food, so we only had about half of it. But yeah, masarap, and very cool to go see it, very Instagrammable.